I'm Jen, welcome to my channel. You're in the perfect place if you, like me, are a complete cynic of timings that you see on recipes. I'm going to show you in real time how easy it is to make a delicious summer gazpacho soup. Gazpacho is probably the only chilled soup that I actually like, so if you're a bit skeptical about trying a chilled soup, just give it a go and see what you think. It is the most delicious, refreshing thing you could possibly have on a hot summer's day. I think having one of these jugs of gazpacho ready to go in your fridge at any moment is one of the smartest things you could do in the summer. So what you want is tomatoes, 1 cucumber, green pepper, red pepper, a little bit of bread, onion and garlic, cumin, salt, pepper, oil and sherry vinegar. So I think this is going to take 10 minutes to make. As always, I have my ingredients ready, so I would say for you it's going to take 15 minutes. Okay, let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up my onion and garlic. I'm going to put it straight into a jug that I'm going to use to serve the gazpacho because I'm lazy. So on top of that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sherry vinegar and 6 tablespoons of olive oil. No, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, and then just shake it up. Next, let's do the tomatoes. So you just want to take out the core and then roughly chop the rest. I think I'm going to have to blitz this a bit now. I've done it again, I've got a fingers too small. I'm going to try and blend this. Oh god! Okay. Well, that was a disaster. I'm gonna add 5 minutes to the clock. I think if you had a blender, you'd be done by now. So, I give myself 5 more minutes. Hooray! A bitter victory. So it should look a bit like this. Now you can taste it and see if the seasoning is right. So that's it. Your 10-minute gazpacho, if you have a blender, like a machine blender, not one of those hand blenders. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you try this recipe yourself. Please make sure that you have a proper blender before you try and do this, or at least cover your bowl if you're using a hand blender, because I just cleaned up a lot of gazpacho splatters. If you do try this recipe, please let me know, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing videos every Sunday. And bye!